Today I'm going to be making something really fun, really yummy, and really fast. So let's go through the ingredients. 2 cups of regular white sugar, a half a cup of milk, 3/4 of a cup of peanut butter, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. So that's it for the ingredients, so let's get started. Alright, I have a hot plate here set up, and I have my pot. We're going to get our milk in there, and also all of our sugar. This is a very simple recipe. And now what I'm going to do is we're going to bring this up to a boil, and as soon as it starts boiling, I'm going to put my timer on for 2.5 minutes. Then we're going to take it off the heat, add in our peanut butter and our vanilla. So at this point right now, I just want to let this start heating up. So I will pause the video here and I will wait for it to come up, and just before it starts boiling, I'll be back live. Alright, we're almost there at the boil. You can see everything has really melted up really nicely. So there we go. So I'm going to start my timer now, and I want to boil this for 2.5 minutes. Okay? So I'm just going to let that go. 2.5 minutes, and I will be back. I do have my timer going. Alright, I'm watching my timer, and there we go. 2.5 minutes. So I'm going to turn my element off now. I'll get it out of the way. I'll put that there. I'm going to get that on there. And now I'm going to pour my vanilla in. And then all of our peanut butter. So we've got the peanut butter here. I'll get that in as well. And that's it for this recipe. And there we go. And now I'll just grab my whisk and we'll start whisking that in. And this is why this recipe is called the easiest peanut butter fudge, because it really is easy. Can you believe that's it for this recipe? Look at that. Okay, and that's perfect. Over here, I took some cooking spray. I just spritzed a little bit in, took my silicone brush, and went around and just went all around the sides. Just a little bit of canola oil cooking spray, just like that. So that's ready to go. I'm going to grab our fudge here. Oh, that smells good. And then just get it right in there. And then you just have to let this sit and cool. I'm going to grab a spatula to get the rest of this out. And you really do have to make sure that you boil the milk and the sugar for that 2.5 minutes. Okay? There you go. You can already see that this is hardening. Okay? So there we go. Just get it around like that. Perfect. And there we go. So I'm going to let this cool and I'll be back later. Alright, so I just got my nice peanut butter fudge out of the container, and we're just going to cut this up now. And this is really good fudge. You have to try this recipe. I'll just cut it up like that. This is a very moist fudge. I don't know if the camera's picking that up. Where are we here? There we go. I'll just show you. You can see how soft that is. Really good. If you like peanut butter, you're gonna love this fudge. So simple to make, but really delicious. That's good. Look at how nicely that fudge cuts. Whoa. That is really nice fudge. Look at that. Really nice. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.